To module 12.1, and in this lecture video let's take a look at negative exponents. So at 12.1a video I mentioned the exponent 0. Okay, for any real number a to the 0 power is always 1. Then I was trying to mumble jumble something about negative exponent. Alright, so negative exponent only give us answer that's between 0 to 1. Alright, negative exponent does not make our answer negative. So why is negative exponent always give us answer that's between 0 to 1? It's because the rule for negative exponent rule says for any real number a, if I have a base with a negative exponent, right now my base is actually on the numerator, it's on the top because I can write it as over 1. So in that case, okay, when my base has a negative exponent, then what we will do is flip my base to the other side of the fraction. So that means I actually flip my base to the bottom now. And then once I flip my base, then I'm going to make the exponent positive. Okay, so negative exponent rule basically saying if a base is negative, then we're going to flip it to the other side of the fraction and make the exponent positive. All right, so if there's nothing left on top, there got to be 1 on top. Okay, so that's why the rule says it's going to be 1 over a to the n power. So what happens if I have a negative exponent rule in the bottom? Okay, so let me just add a problem right here. So what happens if I just say 2 over x to the negative 2 power? Oh Lord, I think I wrote the wrong problem here. I apologize. I didn't mean to bring these two problems here. Maybe it is. Let me double check on the handout real quick. Sorry about that. That's a quotient rule. This is correct. I didn't mean to have this one right here. This particular example is actually going to be the next rule. So maybe we can come back to this one. All right, both of these actually. All right, not a very good example, so I'm going to come back and do these. So if I have, so let me just use this one I made up. So if I got 2 over x to the negative 2 power, all right? If you think about it though, this 2 on the top actually has an exponent 1. Because remember now, for any real number, if you don't say the exponent, it's automatically assumed to be 1. So the base 2 has a positive exponent, right? Now down here, negative 2 for exponent, that makes x the base. So my base down here has a negative exponent. So whenever I see my base has a negative exponent, then we will flip it to the other side of the fraction and then make the exponent positive. So this x is going to flip to the top, become x to the second power. But this 2 was already on the top. The reason why I purposely wrote this 1 is for you to see the base 2 does not have a negative exponent, so that 2 got to remain on the top. So since there is nobody down in the bottom anymore, it's automatically over 1, so that's why we don't write over 1, we just write 2x squared. So remember, only the base with a negative exponent is the one you flip to the other side of the fraction. All right, so I'm going to come back to do these two problems once I introduce something called the power rule. All right, so that will conclude this lecture video, and we will come back to do these two problems in a different video. All right, thank you for watching.